Hey YouTube, it's John here. Hey look, we bought us a shipping container from Container One. I'm gonna do a shout out to them since they were so efficient. Turnaround was about a week, so not bad. It's a one-trip container, which means it was made in China, got shipped over here, and then sold to me. So let's take a look. Nice and clean. No major dents. It has a little scuff on the back here, but otherwise it's looking pretty good. It has vents along this side, vents along the other side. It's a 20-foot container. See how nice and pretty the front looks. Let me crack these doors. We'll take a look inside. I've already started putting some shelves in here. We're going to line it with this side, and this will be my new tool shed. But you can see how clean it is. Good looking floor. I think I paid about $3,500 for it, which would be the same price if I were to buy a shed, a tough shed or something. So now that we have it, what are we going to do with it? Well, we're going to put in 2 vents. And we're going to put a whirlybird on the top. Now the whirlybird hasn't come yet, but I got the vents and we're going to install those today. And the reason for that is we want to lessen the condensation that'll happen in here, especially in this Texas summer heat. Now the manufacturer suggested that I put the vents on the afternoon shady side, because that whirlybird on top should form like a suction and it'll pull in the cooler air and keep my container dry. So with that, let's get started, get some work done. All right, so that's where our vent sits the flattest. So let's mark these holes. And that's what you end up with. Step 1 done. Okay, this is the point of no return, YouTube. Once you start drilling holes in your container, you got to keep going till the job's done. Okay, I think that was the easy part. So I was thinking, I really don't want to take my grinder and grind a big large hole through here. So at the risk of losing a little bit of airflow, I think I'm going to pilot some holes with this 1/4 inch bit, and then I'm going to come back with a 1/2 inch bit and just make a series of holes right here, and it should work well with this vent. And that way I'm not cutting a big hole out of here in case I want to sell the container later on. Let's try it. Okay, I think that looks better than destroying my container by cutting a big old hole in it. And I don't think that whirlybird sucks in so much air that it's going to make a difference from these holes to if I did a big cut out there. So let's clean this up. We're going to throw some primer on these edges because I know these steel buildings, they're prone to rusting anytime you cut some paint off. So let's keep moving. So we'll give the outside and the inside a spray. Cover up any bare metal. So we don't get water sheeting behind that thing. We're going to run a bead of caulk around the outside, and then we'll re-caulk the edge on the top and sides once we get this this vent on there. All right, let's see if we get this lined up. Perfect, I think. Hopefully this will hit these holes. Or not. All right, I got that caulk squeezed in there good. You gotta find the hole. Look at that. And only made a huge mess all over me. All right, now these things come with a bug screen, so that'll keep the insects from invading. So let's get this on there as careful as we can without pushing our screws out. And we got it. Little washer. And that'll do it. Let's get these screws on. Okay, that's the last screw, and we'll just kind of smooth this caulking around the edge with our finger. And there you have it. One vent down. So we got our vent in. We're going to put another one on the other side. And next will be the whirlybird on top. We'll save that for another video. We're Hoof and Homestead. This is what we do. I'd appreciate it if you liked and subscribed, provided you enjoyed the content. We'll keep the channel moving and bring you some more stuff. God bless you. Have a great day.